Here are 4 tools I use daily in my business that I would never want to live without. Number 1 would be Todoist. One of the reasons why I would not want to live without this is because I can track everything from business stuff to just daily stuff. I'm a big list person, and so I love writing down my list, but I also love having it online. Beth and I actually share our Todoist, so we are able to see what the other person needs to get done as well as what we need to get done, and it really helps us keep track of our business. Number 2 is Metricool. It's super useful in my day-to-day life because I'm a social media manager. It helps me schedule out everything from Facebook and Instagram. I also can schedule out Pinterest pins on there and all sorts of stuff. So it's really nice. I also use it for all of our analytics, and it comes out really pretty that they email it to us once a month, and it's just a super useful tool. Number 3 is Google Docs. I don't think I have to explain myself when it comes to Google Docs. Number 4 is Canva. Canva.com is fantastic. I use it both on my phone and on the desktop. I use it from everything from creating freebies and creating Instagram posts, and even I have products that I sell on Etsy, and I've created it all through Canva. Share with me one tool that you use in your business every day that you could not live without in the comments. And if you like all things social media and want it to be simpler, be sure to follow for more.